the Master Lock Safe Space Bluetooth portable lockbox. Good for Airbnb and even ride-sharing hosts like hyrecar and turo. With this, you can share guest access, monitor activity. It has a tamper alert, a low battery warning, and it is weather resistant. We're going to go and try the test code. Maybe not. One, two, three, four, five. There we go. Nice. It automatically locked. Lock. Cool. We're gonna go ahead and tear this open. Alright, so I went to the Google Play Store and I searched for Master Lock, and I found the Master Lock Vault Home application. I'm going to go ahead and install it. Alright, all done. Let's see what happens. Alright, going to go ahead and need to sign in and register. Or register, it's my first time. I'm going to go ahead and click maybe later. Add a new lock. Oh, it won't let me. Maybe later, register, sign in. Okay, well, it won't let you without a login. Well, that makes sense for security purposes. All right, I'm going to go ahead and create an account. All right, so I went ahead and sent an email to the email address that I used to sign up. And I'll send you a verification code, that way you can continue. It didn't look like it worked for an edu email address. I'm not sure if it would work for a .gov or anything else, but I went ahead and used a Gmail account and it worked fine. Next couple steps are agreeing to all of its stipulations and then going to display name. All right, now I got back to this lock screen where I can add a new lock. It says enter an activation code or scan a QR code. All right, so it looks like on the back of the device package, it has a QR code. I'm going to go ahead and scan that. Okay, so the QR code on the package itself doesn't work. I'm not sure if it's oh, you know what? The QR code on the package is just so you can download the application. Anyways, instead, you use an activation code, and that's going to be on the information or instruction pamphlet that comes inside the back end of there. All right, the other thing it asks for is the device ID, which is on the bottom of the actual lockbox itself. Okay, the next step is to unlock it. Press any button in your lock to wake it. Okay, as soon as you press a button on the lockbox itself, I guess it connects with Bluetooth and it unlocks the device right away. I'm going to click done. Use your location. Lock app when the app is closed. To unlock locks when the app is closed, allow Master Lock to use your location all the time. Go ahead and turn on. Lock permissions, allow when using the app, allow all the time. I'll go ahead and do that, that's fine. Alright, so in order to test any new access codes, you have to turn this Bluetooth unlocking off. I'm going to go ahead and go to wake, and then wake and tap. That means you have to actually press the unlock button on your app for it to work. Alright, so here the default code is 54705 for my device, and I went ahead and created a secondary code. It's 10000. So I have the new code. I'd go up to the device and I can press 54705, 54705, and it automatically unlocks. And then I'm going to go ahead and try 10000, and it automatically unlocks. Great. There you go. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and try and unlock the U-bolt. I assume it's this thing right here where it says attached. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Uh-oh. That did not seem to work. Oh, there we go. No. Oh, there it goes. All right. Now it's locked. Really, that's all there is to it. And it's locked. All right, and there's actually one more thing for guests. You can go here and you can add a guest. Invite new guest. Click next. You can put a name. Click next. Unlock via Bluetooth, so that gives them ability to unlock it with their phone. Remove shackle. You don't want to give them that. Maybe an access code. Go ahead and give them a temporary code, primary code, or your secondary codes. And you can set up a schedule so that they have access to only lock or unlock the box certain times a day, starting whenever you set, ending whenever you set, during a particular time, and different days during the week. So that looks pretty cool. Access code. Remove shackle via Bluetooth, unlock via Bluetooth. Okay, like I said, there's a lot of reviews online for people using this lockbox for their Airbnb rental home, or setting it up for their Turo or hyrecar rideshare service so that they can let people rent their cars, doing, no contact or remote key drop-offs, sending the renters a key code, allowing them to access the key box, grabbing the keys, and taking off. So go ahead and see how this works. All right, and then I have it locked up in the front door, just like that. I'm actually gonna turn it around. There we go.